Welcome students. In this video we're going to talk about is f of x square root of x minus 4 1 to 1, and does it have an inverse? So the first thing, we need to define the domain of this function. The domain of this function, remember, the square root cannot be anything inside, has to be 0 or greater. That means that x has to be 4 or greater. That means domain is 4 comma infinity. Okay, now to determine if it is 1 to 1 and if it has an inverse, we need to determine whether this function is monotonic. The way we do that is by taking the first derivative test. Okay, so let's take the first derivative. F prime of x is equal to 1/2 x minus 4 negative 1/2. That's equal to 1 over 2 x minus 4. Remember, the domain is 4 to infinity. So at f of 4, at the function is it's 0. That's the absolute minimum. That's the endpoint. So we take care of that because that's the lowest point of the function. But then we need to take care of anything above. So x greater than 4, we notice that this becomes positive. So f prime of x is greater than 0. That means that it's increasing. So is this monotonic? Yes. That means it is 1 to 1. That means f of x is 1 to 1 and has an inverse. So the only thing left is what is the inverse. So I want to find that out. So that we'll do y equals x minus 4, and we solve for x first. So we take square, so that will be y squared equals x minus 4. Then we switch x and y. Well, we solve for x, so it will be y squared minus 4 equals x. And then the final step is just to switch x and y, so it will be y equals x squared minus 4. That means that this is, so f inverse is equal to x squared minus 4. So that's all I wanted to teach you on this video. Thank you very much, students.